How to book Sky Couch on Air New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can book Sky Couch on Air New Zealand. And this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your account, just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, the next step will be for you to book a flight, but not just any kind of a flight. Ensure you book a long haul flight, right? A long haul flight. And how to do that? Click flight, then you redirected to your web browser. So ensure you select that, and then you be taken to the page where you can book a flight. So once you're on this page, next option will be for you to determine your location, right, where you're coming from, where you're going to. So from Auckland to, let's say, for example, Los Angeles, since we are trying to book a long haul flight, then choose the departure and the returning date, and then click on search. So now, if Sky Scout is available, it will be displayed for this kind of flight. So like I said earlier, in order to book Sky Scout, you have to choose book a long hour flight. So during the booking process, look out for the Sky Scout on board option beneath the price, and then you will be asked to click on it to see the cost and the details. Okay, so now we can just go along by selecting the flight that we want. What kind of class do you want? Select this, click on select and continue. Do the same for the return flight, select and continue. Then you take it to the next stage, which is for you to select your comfort option. You can decide to select this by selecting a very good state, or you can just click on skip. This is a 7 hour plus journey. You have to ensure you select important details. You have to select comfort so that you can be comfortable all throughout the journey. So fill in all of the required details here, including the US street and likes, and click on continue to be taken to the next stage. So at the next stage, you'll be asked to choose extras. Okay, do you want extras or not? Click on skip if you don't. Then you'll be taken to the next stage where you'll be asked to select it. Ensure you choose seats that will be comfortable for you. Then after selecting your seats, you'll be taken to the next stage where you'll be asked to review and pay. So now so far this is the total amount of money. So just click on view details. And then if Sky's couch is available, it will be displayed on this page. So once you see it, click on it. And then once you click on it, you'll be asked to you'll see the cost and details. Then add the Sky couch to your booking. You will need to pay an additional fee for this option. Then you can get the entire roll of 3 seats, which can be converted into a couch after takeoff. So that means that it is either on this page or on your seat selection page. That is where you will see the option for you to get a sky couch. All right, so you can just go back to the seat selection page in order for you to check through it to see if the sky couch option is available. Okay, so check through it. As you can see some options here. So just go ahead and select the one that you want. All right, and if it's available, you can go ahead and make your payment. So this is how you can book Sky Scout on Air New Zealand. I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching and have a good day.